Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to fix an issue in PVCS Version Manager where a configuration file can be incorrectly applied to a subproject and cause you to be locked out of it. I will show you an example of this happening right now. You'll see this error here. It cannot find the configuration file because it doesn't exist. So you go ahead, OK, OK, and you'll see that I cannot access the bridge folder. Go ahead and close PVCS down. The easiest way to fix this is to replicate what it's looking for. So in this example, it's looking for a folder named test, and in that folder, make a file with the name 1, no extension. Just for the record, these files have to be 0 byte. They need to be 0 byte files to be accessed through Version Manager to allow you to fix this. So you now open Version Manager, and you will see you are now allowed to access it. So if you go to Properties and remove this reference to this bad config file, you'll see the black tab is now gone, and you should not have this problem anymore. And you can go ahead and delete the folder with the file that you just created to fix it. And that's how you fix a bad configuration file on PVCS Version Manager in a subproject. Thanks.